Okay, let's go over the basic settings again. Check withholding countries. Country PK, WHT Pakistan, tax keys, PK 22, national tax number or code. It can be given over here. Okay, this can be taken from NTN. It can be NTN, it can be FDR website, anything, any source will work here. Income types. This is new thing, income types. Okay. Income type, new entries. Now these can be the slabs. Income type like 1 million. Nine lakhs. Anything under 500,000.
आज चलते हैं चल लाइट गई फालतू टाइम बच जाएगा अपने आप ही
Income types. These are income types. Slabs for companies. We can have slabs for filer companies, non-filer companies, and filer person. Non-filer person. Right? This can be done as well. Save. So income tax can be defined here. Okay, calculation, tax type, invoice posting or payment posting. In our country, it is payment posting. Configuration is almost the same, so we'll go for payment posting. Okay. Filer, non-filer. Exchange rate type. Exchange rate MM, that is average rate. Tax code. And holding
So why
tax.
we take average rate
Average rate
mm
is MM because average of the day, high and low. It's the average of that. More about that because it increases in just points. Okay. Filer, non-filer, tax code is T36P. T3 is 3% on 16%, 6% on non-filer services. You can also have a filer for raw materials and finished good. You can have slabs for that. Then you have non-filer, same raw materials and finished good. Non-filer vendor services or vendor manufacturer, transporter, okay, consulting. These are industries, niches that are applied with the tax. Defined formulas. We don't need formulas right now. Okay. Withholding tax base amount. Define processing key. Let's not go over this right now. Let's go for assign withholding tax type to company codes. AA42. AA42 is FL. AA42. Next type NF. Do we have NF? next line. And F is there, but the recipient type mobile. Okay. Withholding tax agent, this will be checked. We are the agent for FBR to collect tax from the payment we are going to give them. Okay. Obligated from 2022 99. Withholding tax number will be no tax, NTN, STN, or any FBR number that seems to be appropriate for this. Okay. WF4. NF is applied here. Okay. Okay. NF page up. NF and FL. Filer, non-filer, both are now registered with AA42. Activate extended withholding tax. AA42. It is saved. Okay. Now comes posting. Posting to accounts. Define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over gross up self withholding tax, because we are self withholding tax agents. Chart of accounts AA42. Debit credit, all will be checked, saved. Withholding tax code, okay. Filer, and it will pull the code. EK E3. We will have a list with filer, so all the list can be maintained over here. Okay, debit and credit means accounts where debit will be captured and credit will be captured. It's basically the same. So what I'll do /OFS0. Change company code AA4. Withholding tax 80330 is made. Copy. You can have different accounts or the same. And if there is another code, it will have different or the same account. It depends on business requirement of the client. It's better to have different account for every code, every tax code. Okay, now we'll have to test it, because paid or for the withholding tax to be paid over and self withholding tax, and define accounts for withholding tax offsetting entry. Okay. Certificate numbering for withholding tax. Numbering classes, numbering ranges. This is something new, but I would work on this. India, General vouchers, remittance, challans, certificates for. We also make certificate for vendors, but this is for customers. Tax collected at source, maintain collection codes, and we can assign tax types to collection codes because we are collecting at the source when we are making when we are making a payment. Country tax type collection code will be FBR collection code. Okay. So we have country PK, tax type will be filer, and collection code will be this. Country PK, tax type, non-filer, there will be a collection code for this as well. Why do we need collection code? For reports to submit with FBR, to integrate with FBR. Okay. Assign business places to section codes. Company code, business place, plant, and section code. Why do we need this? Because your plant is operating in another city. It has a different jurisdiction, tax or excise jurisdiction. It will have a separate section code. Okay. But this is again under India's jurisdiction, so that is different. But I told you just to add some knowledge to that. So we are done with this WHT withholding tax. Now we will go to PP. That is business partner vendor of. What were our vendors? Okay, let me just put that out. FPL1N. Execute. No items. Okay. Vendor. WF42 stock set. Okay, we have Tricolor Supplies Group 39010. Business partner, master data. Enter. Switch between display and change. Okay, now we have relationship settings more because it is general category. When I go to vendor which is maintained, it will change the relationship to company code. Okay, we have tax data. Let's check this. If they have tax over here. Tax type. Okay, this is different tax. This is sales tax. Sales equalization tax. So I'll go to company code, reconciliation account, and withholding tax. Okay, tax type, filer, PK, filer, tax code. E3. And what is this subject? Subject to withholding tax. Yes, we will deduct withholding tax from this vendor. Withholding tax, recipient type. We don't have recipient type, I guess. No values. Okay. Withholding tax ID will be the NTN or STN number of your vendor. Okay. All clear. Now we can make some entries. Save. Changes have been saved. Let's make some entry. F dash 02. Double equal to 2020 20,000 39010 withholding tax. Withholding tax E3. Okay. 30201 20,000 tax code. Calculate tax. What was that? Filer 3% or T3? It was T. Okay. Filer 3% because it will deduct withholding tax on this, not this. This withholding tax is deducted from this tax code. 20,000 39010 T3. 31 39010. Enter. Net tax base and gross tax base. It's not defined. Okay. CRO. Total settings. Total parameters. Double H mode 2. F dash 2. 20,000 per day calculate tax. So enter. Okay, good. 20,000 assignment. Enter tax base. Tax amount T3. It is automatically okay. Tax base is let me calculate 3% of 20,000. 20,000 0.03 600. Enter Overview. More document. Simulate. EST is not defined in T030 details. Okay. The global settings. PST. Page up. ST. Input tax. Chart of accounts. SM34. Okay. SM34. Maintain. Maintain. ST. Input tax. 7842 country and tax code. Okay. Accounts. 8030 is there. But why is it not 80300? Tax code FM. Oh, FM. FA PK 80300. Enter or cancel. Post. Okay, 109 was posted. More document display. Input sales tax is calculated. Why is not withholding tax shown here? Any ideas? And if you can see, automatic profit center assignment is also coming up. So where is withholding tax? Can anyone tell me?
So you
Can
took takes base tax 600. Basically, the base tax is a gross amount, and then you will calculate the withholding amount in the next step.
that is payment step? Correct. Correct. That is what. So now our input tax will deduct the amount. Okay. So tax calculation is happening easy. It's not difficult, right?